Okay, so now we're asked to find the domain of a rational function. What is a rational function? This whole thing is a rational function. And well, the domain of it is just a number that makes this right here be equal to 0. That's that's the domain. So let's take a look at a few examples. Mm, we have f of x equals 5x over x plus 7. How do we find the domain? Well, we just say what number makes this equal to 0? Negative 7. Negative 7 plus 7 equals to 0. So negative 7 is your domain. Domain. Yeah. And you would want to write it. I mean, you're gonna see it in your options as x. Well, x is not equal to negative 7. Yeah, something like that. It looks ugly here, but it's gonna look pretty neat when you see it on your homeworks or your midterms or finals. And if you wanna just take out your graphing calculator, you can do that too. You would just have to press Y and input the function. So it would be 5x over x plus 7. And then you just go to your table. And in your table, you will look for a place where x equals one of your options and y has to be equal to error. And that would be your domain, this right here, your x. Hope you understand. Now let's do another one because I have a bunch of these and you really have to get going because I don't want to keep you here that long. Now try to go a little bit faster. So f of x equals negative 5x squared over x minus 4 and x plus 7. What do we do here? Well, I want to solve for 0, right? Well, here, you know, what makes this whole thing 0? A 4. What makes this whole thing a 0? Negative 7. Right? 4 minus 4 equals 0. Negative 7 plus 7 equals 0. So, your domain is x not equal to 4 and negative 7. That's your answer. Or just check the table. Check the table and you'll find an x equal to 4, y equals to error, and when x equals to negative 7, y equals to error. Okay? Let's do another one. So, f of x equals 9x, x minus 7 over 4x squared minus 23x minus 6 equals 0. And you're going to have to factorize this thing right here. So when you do it, you'll get 4x plus 1, x minus 6 equals 0. And then you take this thing right here and solve for x. 4x plus 1 equals x equals negative 1 over 4, and x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals 6. And your domain would be this. X is not equal to 6 and 1 over 4. But of course, you're not going to do any of that, right? So just take out your calculator and check your table, and then you will see an error next to the negative 1/4 and the 6. Okay, now let's take a look at another example real quick. Just the last one. Stay with me. I don't know, you're gonna want to know these things. So, f of x equals x over x cubed plus 27. Okay. Well, let's work it, Have to do x squared minus 3x plus 9. X plus 3 times x plus 3 equals 0. And then x squared minus 3x plus 9 equals 0. Yeah, this is a 9, okay? It's not. I told you my writing sucks. X plus 3 equals 0. So x equals to negative 3. And for this, we would have to use the quadratic formula to determine whether it has any roots. But if you do that, I mean, if you really want to try it, but you'll just see that it does not have any roots. Okay? So, there's nothing here. So, your domain would be this x not equal to negative 3. Or just check the table and look for the error next to the negative 3. X equals negative 3. Y, oh shit, what happened there? Okay, y equals error. And that's it. Now you know how to work this problem. I hope. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and like it. And also remember to practice. Remember to put some background music. And I'll see you in a few seconds.